All right. You already know. Best coffee right there. Coconut caramel crunch. Woo! Good stuff. All right, people, look. This, I guess, is the quick, easy unboxing. I wanted to show y'all this real fast. I wish I could take this apart for y'all, but I don't have no tools, man. Everything packed up. I'm getting ready to go to Blue Ridge, but I want to at least show y'all, you know, what it's hitting for. So, first, shout out to my man Brent from Bones Motorsports. Sent me this. I'm going to do a review on these. If y'all know, he's the ultimate engine or ultimate racing, the whole product line. He's a dealer for them. So you got the engines, 3 ports, 5 ports, the air filters, everything, pipes, all that. So that's, that's Brent, that's bonesmotorsports.com. Check him out. He also doing engine break-in. I think it's $45 plus shipping for the engine break-in. And let me see, I gotta remember everything. Oh, if you buy one of these engines from him, I think it's $30 for the engine break-in. So you can buy the engine, say, yo, break it in for me, and he'll break it in for you. That way you get it. It's already broken in. This one is broken in already. I got to dust idle a tank through it, and I'm good to go. That's what I like. Me personally, I don't really like engine break-in. It's like, man, it's too much for me. But yeah, also, he has the no Rossi replacement plugs, but he sold out. So he got to get a new batch in. So that's coming, people. Don't worry about it. That'll be here sooner than later. All right? That's my man. So Brent, Bones Motorsports, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. All right. Here we go, people. This is the 3-port, and I wanted to try this engine. Let me get this together for y'all. That's the M3X, Ultimate Boy. Got a P3 up in there. I'm sure that's a 3-port. 3-plug. This is a 3-port, and these are OS base. 3-needle carb. You can see that there. Mid, idle. Your main screw there. And I like how this carburetor is. Now, it's not DLC coated, right? But, it's all good. And we can make it work. Now, you see how the carb? I like how that carb, the screw to tighten that up is right there. You know what I mean? I like that. I think you can use either one, too. You see what I mean? Either side for the screw for your throw. Let me see what Ventura come with. Hold on, people. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. It's a quick one. Trying to get ready. We're packing up. Blue Ridge. So forgive me. Alright. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Alright, Venturi. 6.5 up in there. Nice. Yes, sir. Nice anodized red, that back plate popping. I heard these are really good, you know what I mean? So we're going to see. This is the version 2. Version deuce piece. Yeah. Like I said, people, this is a quick video. I'm going to take this apart, show y'all the insides, but it's going to have to wait till I get back because, like I said, I'm all packed up. The race trailer is shut down for the season. That's basically a wrap. All right, this is the pipe. They sent me with it. Pipe combo. This is the 2141. And it's that twist lock deal. So the gasket goes on here. And it goes in the other one. And you twist lock it. Twist lock. So you don't need no coupler springs. Which is nice. Saves you a little bit. 2141. I'm not sure the characteristics of this pipe. Like I said, everything's kind of new. That's the header. Alright, hold up. Just says Ultimate on there. I'm not sure the size or anything like that, but that's that coupler, so it goes in there like that. Twist lock, boom. Comes with your springs, so it's a small spring. Oh, got small springs and 2 big springs. That's nice. Gasket, but that's the gasket that go on the inside. It's an O-ring gasket go on the inside for that twist lock. Your screw for the end of the pipe is in there. Popping, right? 2141. Black, popping. So yeah, he got all these, people, you know what I mean? Got all that. Check it out, you know what I mean? Check that thing out. I'm taking this down Blue Ridge. Sorry, I'm taking this down Blue Ridge. So hopefully I'll be pulling in the Blue Ridge Thursday night. We're leaving tomorrow. Be pulling in the Blue Ridge probably about Thursday night. You know, and I gotta pop this thing in, idle a tank. We're gonna see what it do. Practice is all day Friday. Practice starts 6 a.m. I'm trying to be out there 6 a.m. getting on that track, all right? So that's the Ultimate Racing. I mean, Ultimate Engines, but, you know, Ultimate Racing. Right there, baby, yeah. Again, shout out to my man Brent from Bones Motorsports. Appreciate you, brother. Check him out. He got these on the website. 5-port and the 3-port. Oh, and also, which this is innovative, yo. So you can also get the piston sleeve and rod for these engines, the 5-port and the 3-port, right? And he'll break them in for you and then send you that. That way, if you say this messes up, whatever, gallons, whatever, start acting up at the track, you got your spare, you can pop it right in and go. You don't even have to break it in no more. That's innovative. Yo, trying to tell you. Brent, the only one doing custom diff and shock fluids, custom fuel, and now with the broken in piston and sleeve for these engines. That is popping. You can't get no better than that, people. Seriously. All right? So check him out. But that is the Ultimate engine from Ultimate Racing. That's a version 2, M3X. All right, people, this is your man, Rajay 111. This is just something quick and easy. All right? Be looking out for Blue Ridge. All right, y'all. Peace.